Petitions Council. That's for prayer for re-investigation, my lord, because the mobile handset of the deceased containing several materials showing that she had relations.
Total.
Mobile phone is it is found in the house, my lords. After release on bail, we have found the mobile phone. My lord, original mobile phone, we are ready to.
Again, 498 ena.
498 and 306, 304B.
Oh,
My lord, the
304.
allegations made is that she committed suicide because of this. But immediate
Accused
conversation.
is seeking further investigation.
Accused is seeking further investigation because the mobile handset of the deceased contains, my lords, many photographs and
Acquit
conversations.
ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಡಿ evidence ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
No, my lord, investigation must be fair to both, my lords. They cannot suppress one material and say whatever it
No,
is.
you want to drive home something else.
My
That
lord,
your wife was an illicit relationship
no,
with
that's the
someone
truth, my
else.
lord. That no, they
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you
cannot.
want all this.
No, my lord, they cannot deny it because that's.
No, that's all right. Is that the ground?
No, my lord, no. My ground is she committed suicide because she said, I don't want this husband, I want somebody else. She repeatedly said that cut her
Exactly
wings.
what I'm telling you.
No, no.
You
This-
want to
and
drive
no,
home that point.
reason for death, according to her, according to the deceased, is she took the photographs of the pills, cut her veins, and sent a message to her brother. No, I want so and so, and photographs also she has clicked.
Acquit ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಡಿ.
No, my lords, but your lord may kindly see, as the investigation is concerned, they cannot suppress one material.
ಈಗ what other offense you have to add?
No, my only submission is with reference to this
Yeah,
material.
further investigation I will permit.
My
That's-
lord,
you- Imagine further investigation I will
further alla
permit.
idu.
What is that you want from them?
No, my lords, your lords may kindly, there are two versions.
Complainant asking for further investigation, all right. Accused is asking for further
Please,
investigation.
my lords. Now,
There is something more than what meets the eye.
may my lords, now my lords, pray my lords kindly see our own conversations which I have just
That
now
I have
edited.
seen, page
edited.
60.
Yes. And it's not with the
Will
62.
get acquitted, sir, with all this.
Is not the
Mobile phone ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಇವರು?
mobile phone.
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
Your lords may kindly see, mobile phone was in the house only.
You
That
should have
mobile
given
phone.
it.
Now, my lord, by the time we were in jail, we came out. The mobile phone is in the house. The police, I don't know, deliberately did not take it or kept it there. We do not know, my lords. But the mobile phone was there only. We charged it, and then mobile phone of the deceased. And then we found that these are the materials which are there in the mobile phone. My lords may kindly say, the difficulty for the investigating agency will be this. Now, they have come to a conclusion, my lords, come to a conclusion that she died on account of so and so and so.
End of ಇರಲ್ಲ.
No, my lord, this story would even will destroy the first case, which is true. The investigating agency has to do it. Therefore, my lords, have regard to the special facts of this case, my lords, where there are documentary materials, the data is there, which clearly shows something else.
You produce everything under 207 later when the trial commences.
My lords, this would amount.
Produce everything.
I am entitled to, my lord, the defense evidence.
Yes.
But, my lords, the investigating agency having not produced any of this, my lord, not considered any of this, and this.
You will get completely acquitted. Why are you worried? If
No,
there is no evidence,
my
no
lord,
evidence.
why I'm worried, my lords, that the honorable court's question may answer like this. I've
Hmm.
seen honorable courts believe the investigating agency more, my lord. Some of the learned.
No, it's not that belief with the investigating agency.
Please.
You want to achieve something else by getting further investigation.
I
in
want to
this.
achieve the truth. Let them hold that. No, no.
Trial, sir.
Your lords may kindly see, my lords, if this is the truth, the investigation is unfair. If this is the truth,
That is why in the trial you will get to know whether what is the truth.
No, my
You
lord.
produce whatever you want under 207. They will also file
may only
in
submit.
the you supplementary charge sheet ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ.
That would amount to, my lords, that would amount to protecting the first.
So you are now why are you seeking further investigation is that 304B should go away.
No. entire case
498
should-
ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು.
No, your lords may kindly see, death 304B as utterly false. We have the material that 306, that I have abetted a suicide.
Oh, 306 is also
That
there.
our suicide is because she wanted to elope with somebody, a relationship with somebody else. So a brother, she sends a message, I don't want to be with this. Why you have married me to this person? And I want to die. And she
Yeah.
sends, and the reason for death, your lords may kindly see,
ಎಲ್ಲ evidence.
my lord, die with great respect.
ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು
my lords.
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
My lords, this.
Only husband?
No, husband was in custody at that time, subsequent release on bail.
Hmm.
This is the father-in-law, mother-in-law immediately came out on the bail, my lord. They found this mobile and immediately they approached the police. They gave a letter to the police that the mobile handset is found and it contains these materials.
Mother-in-law, father-in-law stay ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ?
No, after this application is filed, my lords were pleased to stay the investigation by virtue of this.
Further investigation ಅಲ್ಲ.
No,
trial.
charge sheet has already been filed, my lords. Charge sheet has already been filed.
So proceedings have stayed.
Your lordship were
Let
pleased
the
to.
trial go on.
No, my lord, your lords may kindly see, unless there is proper investigation, my lords, investigation must be, my lords, fair to both of us. investigation cannot, my lord, suppress, or they did not know. They may say, we did not know this, which according to us is not proper.
Whatever you want to produce at the later point in time, I will permit.
My difficulty
No difficulty,
difficulty is this, my lord.
no difficulty. at
As
all.
far as leading evidence in defense is concerned, my lords, I will not have the advantage of the
Now,
investigation.
306 you want to get away.
No, I want to, no, my, I want to.
304 you want to get away.
My lords, maybe that if the police come to know this is true, the police may exonerate me, my lords, to hold that the case itself is false. That's why I want investigation to be fair and.
You should have given the mobile, sir.
No, my lord, I was immediately arrested me, my lords. We thought everything is with the police. And there are two handsets of the mobile. One handset, my lords, is in the house, which is found. This is her handset, my lords, which is now with us. And this we we have gone to the police, given letter that we are ready to give the handset, my lords.
302, 306 or 302. na?
They 306 first ಗೆ ಅನಂತರ 302 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. My lord, they have made allegations.
Then
304B, 302. No, this
Sir,
cannot,
there-
please, both cannot go together. 302, 304B.
One
Both,
is-
both they mentioned both.
What is the offense now?
FIR registered for 498A, 302, 304B,
Ah.
Dowry Prohibition Act.
Correct.
And-
Charge sheet ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
The charge sheet is filed, my lords.
Cognizance ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Please, my lords. Charge sheet is for 498A.
302 ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ.
My lords.
306 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
306 ಇಲ್ಲ.
I am estimating 304B.
Halt, sir.
I am estimating.
306 and 304B won't go together.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ. So and so of the Dowry Prohibition Act. Now what they say here is, my lords, that the no eyewitnesses, they say it's a case of murder. And they also say it's a case of dowry death. This is the allegations, my lords. And my lords, the materials you lot may kindly see, the materials on the face of
ಎಲ್ಲ
it.
all this matter of evidence, sir.
Now, my lords, may I respectfully submit, my lords, as the investigation is
ಅಲ್ಲ
concerned.
302 ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಅಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ.
No, my lords,
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
302, they say because they have the doubt. This is what they say. We have the doubt that so and so has committed the murder. You are like, immediately, my lords, this handset, while handset would show something else. I do consider the investigation may hold that this is false. The investigating agency may hold that this is true. No, my lord, but there should be fair investigation. This cannot be suppressed from the course of investigation, my lords. Otherwise, my lord, what happens is, my lords, one set of evidence is suppressed. That would harm the interest of both.
Yes,
Because
He has all the details. He can produce it. There are as many as 164 statement discloses various things.
that has already been done. One set, police have gone, proceeded only in one way.
whatever way, you will get acquitted if there is no evidence. At the instance of a person who is alleged of 302, killing
Yes.
his wife, according to you, no investigation can be fair. You are the accused.
No, my lords, when these materials are there, my lords, those
In a-
materials should have been considered by them. They should consider, and then, my lords, and especially when explicit materials are there, where she has herself written.
There is no case for further investigation.
My lord,
Whatever document you want to produce, electronic evidence, 65B certificate, at any point point of the time in trial, you produce it. I will direct it to be taken.
that's true. Mobile
Only
hands-
for the purpose of mobile phone, you want a further
Mo- mo-
investigation.
No, there's one
No.
more aspect.
Mm.
Photographs found, 62.
No,
I
already
do not
pro-
know. You are not,
already
why
produced.
I want the investigation is for this reason, my lords.
Not necessary, sir.
62,
Will
I do not know the person
They
at
will
all.
not put the clock back, but you can produce everything before the concerned court at the appropriate time.
May I only submit why I want the investigating agency, my lords, photographs, my lords.
What I've seen,
No, but there are many other boys, my lords, not one boy. I do not know them. How can I prove who is the boy? Who is the male person who is?
you are not going to prove those boys having, you want to get away with the offense saying that
Yes,
your
because
wife
it's
had
true.
illicit relationship with
No, my
someone
lords,
else.
that is immediately
with
before
this.
the occurrence, my lords, unless I prove that these are the persons, my lord, this, for that investigation is required, my
Oh.
lords. Unless the investigation is permitted, you'll automatically page 62, 63, 64, different boys
Oh,
and in intimate position, and then she sends a message to her brother.
That itself is a ground for cruelty.
It's a ground for?
acquittal.
But
Thomas,
the
You
investigation will
want
not be.
whatever you want to produce, you produce, sir.
But how to, I cannot be, my problem is this, man. I will not be
No
able to,
problem, sir.
I will not be able to prove this because address, etc. I do not know. The investigation is required on this. I can only produce this,
Sir, the allegation is that you have killed your wife. Offense is under 302.
please.
You want to get out of
No,
it saying that.
Your
she
lords,
has
may kindly
illicit
say, as well, there are
relationship.
302, what they say is they
Sir,
suspect 302, that's what
sir,
they mentioned.
Even if she has illicit relationship with 10 people, 302 is 302,
Their
sir.
lordship may
You
kindly see
can't
that
get out of it.
302 is in a different footing, my lord. They say, I have doubt, that's what they
No,
said, my
right,
lord.
we'll see,
But
that has to be thrashed out in
304B,
a trial.
Otherwise, her own conversations, my lords, clearly show,
Adukku, you proving her to be having illicit relationship with someone else, what's
and
what's the
she's
point?
not happy with this
What's
marriage.
the
She wanted
point?
to snap this marriage, is what she said, but she wanted to commit suicide.
Produce
According
that,
to-
sir,
respect-
before the trial
Our
court.
case is she has committed suicide is our case, my lords. And at the very
Sir,
contemporaneous
I will
period.
not put the clock back at the instance of the accused to say that there should be further investigation to drop down the
I will-
rigor
I
of the
will only-
offences.
may-
That is
may only
exactly,
submit-
and drop up, go
may
up,
only
Pilvela,
submit-
302 is already alleged.
I may only submit this, my lords. As far as the materials are concerned, let the police investigate and submit the report on this.
You produce, sir, why should police investigate now?
Otherwise, I
No,
will
sir,
investigate,
not
my lords.
saying nothing.
Your lords may kindly give liberty to me to file application before the magistrate, then my lords.
Quickly.
My lords,
Avalai ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
no, your, because if the lords.
What application?
For the further investigation, my lords.
Defer further
No,
investigation.
no, for the further investigation, for the, on these materials, which we have now found, my lords.
That is that.
You can adduce evidence.
Yes,
You can
you
adduce
adduce evidence.
No, no.
No, I will not permit something contrary to law.
No,
You can file any application that court will consider.
Please, my lords. Your lords may permit us to file the application, my lords, on that ground.
That is always available to you.
Please, my lords. Otherwise, your lords may. kindly
Filing
say, your lords,
applications before the concerned court is always available to you.
Unless my.
Indirectly, I will not permit what you're
So
asking.
my lord's assistance may also be required for the
My
accused.
assistance?
Yes,
For what,
kind
sir?
indulgence is required for the accused also to prove the truth. Otherwise, it will be impossible for us to know who are the persons, at what time the message was sent, and who transacted on that day, my lords. All these photographs will
All that-
clearly show
Oh,
what has exactly happened is. Your lords may kindly see, my lords, the messages sent by her on the same day, where she has cut, my lord, it's a case of suicide, which is given a color of a murder now, my lords. In the kindly see page 86, she cuts her veins and sends the messages to her brother with the page 87 with the pillow,
No
with the pills. With the pills you are in her hands.
all that you produce, sir.
Now, my lord, this is the contemporaneous material, my lord.
Contemporaneous documents also you can produce before the court to demonstrate that yes, there is no 304B or 302 in the case at hand.
That's true, my lords, unless this is investigated, my lords. If it is investigated, truth will come out, my lord. Otherwise, part of the truth will be.
You,
Hidden, my lords.
whatever application you want to file before the court, you file. I am not going to interfere. After all this was available to you, you should have.
No, I was
given
in
it then.
custody. Immediately when I came out, I filed application. Immediately I was arrested.
Why your parents were not there?
Parents are filing before the Swan court.
No, good. Your parents were not.
They were
in the
arrested.
house.
They were also
Should
arrested.
have given.
They were arrested, my lords.
They should have, they should have given.
They gave the application, my lord. Immediately when they were released, they gave the application, my lords. And the police said, we already filed a charge sheet. We have given the
Where
letter.
are the dates of these WhatsApp chats?
That's what the police said, my lord. I will the date
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ
ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ.
ಡೇಟ್ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಇಲ್ಲ
Message ಒಳಗೆ date ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ
Message ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ
No, my lords,
ಇದು ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಫೌಂಡ್ ದ ಫೋನ್ and when the phone came into your custody.
your lords may kindly.
No,
Let them
Not
investigate. We are
at
ready.
all.
Your lords may kindly
Given
see.
only.
We are ready.
Ah.
It says today.
50? It's saying today.
Today.
What is the date?
That your lords may kindly see. What
Today
is
ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the
we
date?
are ready to file the.
Today ಅಂದ್ರೆ what
handset.
is the date, sir?
My lords, your lords may kindly the photographs,
Oh,
everything, the mobile is
After
intact.
the phone comes into your possession, these messages are generated.
Now, your lords may kindly see, let them investigate on this. We are ready, my lord. For this
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
aspect,
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
let them, otherwise, my
Produce
lords,
this.
otherwise this becomes
Oh.
a serious handicap in the
Not at
quest
all.
for knowing the truth, my lords.
Anyway.
Because this, your lords may kindly see, today, she sends today and sends it, and the mobile is intact.
Todayಗೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
No, my
Today,
lord,
ಒಂದ್
entire
ನಿಮಿಷ.
mobile, we
One
have
minute,
produced the
sir.
photographs.
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಟುಡೇ ಅಂತ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಡೇಟ್
The
ಡೇಟ್
lords may
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
kindly see, as far as.
ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
No, my lords, as far as the mobile is concerned, is intact, will produce before the investigating.
Not
That's all my
intact.
lords.
You have made it intact
Let them
after it
investigate.
came
No,
into
no,
your
no, well,
possession.
then they will be running the risk of perjury. We are
That
ready,
is
my
why
lords.
not one man, you have given photographs of several men.
No, I'm estimating,
With
sir.
the
No,
wife.
no, no, no. There's everything.
Otherwise investigating officer would have taken it.
Our respect, this material would be
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
destructive.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟ್ ದಿ 24 hours ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
You are asking the
Everything
only-
is today.
What is produced
Every
is.
message you have seen is today.
No, no, no.
I have seen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿರಿ, ಕೆಲವು photos are produced, my lords.
ನೀವು ಕೆಲವು ಫೋಟೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಟುಡೇನೇ ಇರೋದು.
We'll get all the photographs, my lords. We'll get all the
Prime
photographs.
today.
We'll get all the photographs, my
No,
lords.
no, nothing
no, no.
getting. You file
Get
anything
all
you
the
want.
photographs, my
No
lords.
more wasting of time on this.
As my lord pleases, my lords. Direct us to, my lords, avail the
I
remedy
will not
before.
direct you anywhere. I will only dismiss it.
No, my lords, unless
So
we,
you can
we
go
are given
anywhere
some
you-
remedy, my lords. goes
Husband
to
is
by filing.
sought to become
No, my lords, husband, my lords, in the
intelligent
present case,
after
my
the
lords.
crime.
as per the date, I
Everything
don't know.
today, how can it happen on the same day?
No, 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 everything is not today, not.
Is it
because-
today,
because
sir?
Everything is not, all the photos are not today, and all the materials are not here. It's a bulky material, only some materials.
Whatever
we
you
have-
produced is
we have-
today.
ಇಲ್ಲ, today ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ನೋಡಿ sir. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಚಾಟ್.
ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್
ಟೈಮ್ ಬರೋದು ಟುಡೇಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. Otherwise it gets into date.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
If it's within 24 hours, you'll get the time. Otherwise date.
Everything, my lords, as it is, some photographs are produced. Intact, may I only pray, my lords, at the end. We have given an endorsement. Let them consider this, my lords, what the request we
The
have made.
allegation is you've killed your wife. So you
We
want
have-
to wriggle out of this?
No, no,
in
no.
this way?
Your lords, may kindly appreciate, my lords. It was a case of suicide, and then they alleged it's a case of 302, which is absolutely
That sheet is
false.
filed for 302, sir.
302, my lords. Had they considered this,
ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು?
they would have found as a truth. Therefore, this is not produced. So that should be fairness for both sides. We are only in the case of.
Unpalatable. You have painted the palette. No. Yes, we'll
No, my
see.
lords,
164 statement ಯಾರ್ದು?
8 people, parents,
Yes.
brothers,
Hmm.
everyone. Everybody says the same.
that's true. One side version is there now.
The 8
Other
people
side version
speaks
is not
about
there. One side version
Trial.
is there, my lords.
Trial.
Others, they should also consider, investigation should consider both versions.
Father, mother, brother,
I
everybody.
do concede. One side version is there. This mobile handset version is, will come
You
mobile.
produce anything you want during the trial, sir. Anything else?
That's all, that's all. Please, my lords.
Learned senior counsel, after arguing the matter at length, would seek leave of this court to withdraw the petition and avail of such remedy as is available in law at the appropriate time, at the appropriate stage before the appropriate fora.
Please.
Yes.